Apple unveils iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple unveiled the highly anticipated iPhone 16 Pro series at Monday's It's Glow Time event. The new flagship models feature enhanced and enlarged displays. The iPhone 16 Pro has a 6.3-inch screen, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a larger 6.9-inch display. Both models come in a sleek titanium body and are available in 4 vibrant colors: black, white, natural, and the new desert titanium. The iPhone 16 series introduces the new camera control button across all models. Additionally, Apple has touted the iPhone 16 Pro Max as having the best battery life ever for an iPhone. The iPhone 16 Pro series is officially integrated with the flagship A18 Pro chip with the 16-core neural engine that's set to provide an amazing performance for all the Apple Intelligence features. Moreover, it's offering enhanced graphics performance because of its 6-core GPU, which is 20% faster as compared to the iPhone 15 Pro's A17 Pro. Camera. The iPhone 16 Pro features a 48-megapixel Fusion camera with the latest 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and 12-megapixel 5-time telephoto camera. The iPhone 16 series sports the latest camera control button, which will later receive a 2-stage shutter. The iPhone 16 Pro can capture 4K video at 120 frames per second. Additionally, users easily can adjust the playback speed after capturing it in the Photos app. Audio. Apple unleashed an enhanced audio hardware on the iPhone 16 Pro with 4 studio-quality mics. More interestingly, users would have an option to spatial audio while recording the spatial video, which would be later on followed by a significant update arriving to the voice memos that enable users to layer a track over a recording, which would be essential while recording music. The long-awaited iPhone 16 Pro has landed at $999 with a 128 GB of storage variant, whereas the iPhone 16 Pro Max model costs $1,199 with 256 GB of storage. Both of these flagship models will be available on pre-order on September 13th, Friday, and shipping will start from September 20th.